right, Lightning Cash. We got the free spin bonus, 10-cent, $5 bet. Let's see if we can land something nice. Oh, that's right. We have to pick on this one. Let's hope I pick right. Feeling the right. What are you? Hold and spin. Awesome. All right. Drop that major right now. Come on. Pop a major. Whack. Now one. All right. That just means you're going to land a bunch now, right? Keep them coming. Need bigger. Okay. Bigger. Come on. Alright, I see that miner flying around. Let's land it, can you? Whack, don't stop. Don't be done. Save it. Uh-oh. No, that was bad. Bad bonus. There it is. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.